It's a 2015 Cadillac ATS Coupe. With its masterful blend of power, handling, and luxury, this ATS Coupe was built for the enthusiastic driver. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, dual zone climate control, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, active grille shutters, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, sports suspension, Cadillac CUE external memory control, driver memory seats, rear-wheel drive, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and ultrasonic park assist. Canadian Driver reports, "The steering feels responsive and is second to none in its class." Yes, it is just that good. The car grips in the corners better than a compact luxury sedan should, and felt very neutral when I was tossing it around the handling course. For over 100 years, Cadillac has dared to drive the world forward. Take it for a test drive today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.